So in the family tree, we put the information generation wise. There will be first generation of grandparents. Then there will be second generation of parents and their siblings. So parents and their siblings, that means brothers or sisters of your parents will be your uncles and aunts, right? And on the third generation, this will be you or your cousins or your siblings. So we put the adult generation above the younger generation to solve a problem. And we put the same generation members sidewise on the same level, right? Also remember the word spouse, which means either husband or wife. Until and unless the gender is specified, we cannot conclude whether we are talking about the spouse is meant by husband or by wife. So here it is the first stage. To draw a family tree diagram, how we will use first stage is of grandfather. So we can have, the stages of grandparents. This include grandfather, grandmother, granduncle, grandaunt, and so on. Then the second stage will be the son of these grandparents. That will be the parents. Or if it is a couple's parents, spouse parents, that will be in-laws. So this can be father, mother, uncle, or aunt, because uncle and aunt will be brothers and sisters of your father or mother. Then there can be father-in-law or mother-in-law, right? Then we can have spouse. Here at the same level, same generational level, we will be having spouse, or we will be having siblings. Siblings means the real brother and sister, or the cousin brothers and sisters. And we can have brother-in-law and sister-in-law. So husband, wife, brother, sister, cousin, brother-in-law, and sister-in-law. Then on the fourth stage, we will be having the children of these. So that will be children's and in-laws. So how will be the children and in-laws? That means my son, my daughter, the wife of my son, that will be daughter-in-law, the husband of my daughter, that will be son-in-law, and the children of my siblings, those will be nephew or niece. So they together come on the same generational level. And then if we have a further more generation, then this will be the grandchildren of this third stage, right? So if we are on the middle, then we can have 2 generations upward and 2 generations downward. This is the maximum level of family tree we can have the questions based upon, right? So a few more tips here. So mother and father of my only sister or my only brother is my mother and father also, right? If I'm having just one sister or one brother, then the mother and father of that sister of that brother will also be my mother and father. Son's son or daughter is the grandson. My son's son will be grandson to me. The daughter of my son will be granddaughter to me. And granddaughter or grandson of my wife, my wife's grandson, my spouse, if I'm having a spouse. So grandson or granddaughter of my wife will be my granddaughter and grandson too. Or this can be reversed. My husband's granddaughter or my husband's grandson will be my granddaughter or my grandson as well. General mistakes which you make, confusion of genders, right? So that is why we prefer to write down the gender in brackets along with every name. A, so A is F, female. Misreading of statements and overlooking generation gaps, right? See, this is very important. We have almost specified every relation which can come on any level. Grandparents, that it is grandfather, grandmother, granduncle, and grandaunt. In parents and in-laws level, we will be having mother, father, uncle, aunt, father-in-law, and mother-in-law, right? So this way, you can use this family chart and this generational description to use to depict every relation here, right? Now you have 2 methods. You can go step by step as we were doing previously, or you can construct a family tree as we have just checked. So try to solve this question using any of the methods, wherever or howsoever. Pointing to a girl, Rahul said, she is the daughter of the only son of my father.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Not yet, Sanjeev. Wait. Let others solve. Rahul is saying, pointing to a girl, that she is the daughter of the only son of my father, Rahul's father. And Rahul's father only son will be Rahul himself. And the daughter of that son. So that means the daughter of Rahul only. So that girl is actually the daughter of Rahul. Correct? See, we can draw the family chart here, right? So this is Rahul here. So Rahul's only son of Rahul's father. So here we have Rahul's father, right? Rahul's father only son is Rahul only. And the daughter of the only son of Rahul's father will be Rahul's daughter only. Because it is specified that it is a daughter, its gender will be female. And that is why we can say it is the daughter. Go ahead. A is B's sister, C is B's mother, D is C's father, E is D's mother. Then how is A related to D? You can construct a family tree as well.